Today is Saturday, the 24th of January. Well, it's 6 o'clock this morning. There was no snow. It was beautiful. It's kind of warm. The streets were dry. And an hour later, we had snow. At 8 o'clock, it looked like this. And if we continue further on over, we can see Vital and André. The police are still talking with André. We've got David here running up the stairs. And I hear that they have started destruction or demolition of the interior wall. Oh, it's almost done. Check this out. Wow, man.
Hello, man.
Check it out. I can see through the wall. These guys broke this wall. It's not done, but as fast as they're going, it'll take another 10 minutes. It's gone. We've got some love. Yeah! David. David! Santé!
Bravo! Bravo! Incroyable! En comparaison avec le progrès de la semaine passée, ça c'est un miracle!
It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. They worked for about an hour and a half on this floor, or less, actually about an hour, and it's gone. Check this out. Compared to the work that they were doing all afternoon last week. So this floor is gone. The official offer of André of 5 weeks of demolition is almost finished. He's gonna saw by hand one last pipe, and his official offering of help is over, and he is a happy man. J'ai dit que tu es content que ton travail est fini.
Oui. Merci pour tous ceux qui sont venus donner un coup de main.
T'as bien fatigué, hein.